Hey everybody, welcome to the Grind Boss booth here at the NTAA show. You're going to check out Grind Boss wipes today. Grind Boss wipes come in a package that look like this, and they're pre-moistened wipes. They're extra large, they're really strong. We like to say these ain't no baby wipes. Big, tough, and they've got a scrubby side on one side and a smooth side on the other. And they're great at getting up all kinds of messes from both surfaces as well as hands. So I'll do a couple little demos for you guys today. This is a permanent ink I'm wiping on my skin right there. And normally if you let that sit on there for a little bit, I can let it sit for a bit, but I want to show you for the demonstration. Normally it comes off only after a week in the shower or something like that. Grind Boss will take it right off, no problem. And it uses no harsh chemicals. See how it comes up off the white real well. I'm using the smooth side here, but I can also use the scrubby side to get off paint. This is latex paint. I know for tow trucks you may not be running into latex paint too much, but for grease, oil, caulk, adhesives, Gorilla Glue, all kinds of things, Grind Boss is great at picking it up. So again, this product comes in a flexible pack like this. It keeps the wipes moist even if they're in the truck all day long and the truck gets hot. So they're really convenient, and we have a bracket that looks like this. So you can mount inside the tow truck with some command strips and just easy access to the product. So it's a great product, made in the USA, and like I said, no harsh chemicals, great at picking up messes from tools, vehicles, hands, and you can be really happy about they're made in the US and no harsh chemicals. So check them out. We'll be happy to give some samples out for anybody that wants to try them. So give them a shot.